So here is the geode in its whole glory before cutting, and after looking this thing over, it really reminds me of coconut geodes from Mexico. And the few that I have cut have had kind of like a mix of agate and crystals on the inside. I mean, for this size stone, it feels a little light. I think there's gonna be a geode pocket inside it. I don't think it's gonna be huge, but that's just my guess. I hope I'm wrong and it's just packed. But the cut placement we're gonna do on it is gonna be for surface area. And I've had pretty good luck doing it like that. So we're gonna cut it just like that, right in through there. So I'm gonna fill my saw up with some water, and we'll take her nice and slow with this one. Very special. That cut went quicker than I thought, so that's a good sign. But it felt super solid. But I think the reason that it felt solid is as I was cutting it, I didn't cut just straight through. I kind of rotated because it was so big. So I cut in a little bit and then I kind of rotated. And I think when I did that, I bypassed the quick shoot through. And I'm thinking there's there's bands. I think there's a geode pocket on the inside. Oh, interesting. Sounds kind of solid, but sounds hollow at the same time. So, we're going to see what's inside it right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. It is oh my gosh. There's a heart. An amethyst heart, 2 of them. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna cry. You're gonna cry. That is so sweet. If I wish I could read you the letter, it would make sense. Oh my gosh. 2 amethyst hearts. You can see them. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful, you guys. Oh, that is spectacular. One of the best amethyst geode agates I've ever cut open, and I'm so grateful it's right now. Man, I prayed that it would be good before I cut it, and it is. That is so awesome. Oh my gosh, truly remarkable, spectacular. That is so sweet. And there's, I believe, I don't think it's tourmaline, like goethite. Black crystals on the inside there. And the pocket just goes in. That is so cool. Oh, I love that so much. Truly remarkable. And I'm just so excited to have been a part of this. That is amazing. I was just sitting here admiring it, and I'm like, man, look at how big that crystal point is in there. So awesome. Look at all those black crystals. Little needles just sticking up. Oh, that is awesome. Both sides have some really amazing crystals in there. Pretty big. Man, that is so cool. Woo!